Hi everyone, hope you have enjoyed the previous lesson and you have completed up to lesson number 4, Sequence with Scarlet. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson 5. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, go on to lesson 5. Okay, and if you have not completed previous chapter, please complete and then click on this button. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to click this button. Okay, now you can see the video. It is of only 2.51 seconds.
Today, we're going to learn about pair programming. In pair programming, you work as a team.
Why should two people use one computer?
Why should two people use one computer? Because two heads are better than one. We work together in an interesting kind of way.
Because we're interesting people.
We are interesting people.
In pair programming, you and your partner are going to sit down together at one computer and you are both going to work on the same project.
Right now, we're working on code monsters. Oh no, a fire monster. We don't have enough time.
Okay, now when you have finished watching YouTube video, you are directly to the lesson screen and you will see click the light bulb when you need a hint. Okay, one more thing, notice if you click on this, it will play all these statements which are given here. So I'm going to do it for you.
Play with these blocks to see what they make Scrat do. Get Scrat to the acorn to complete the level.
Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to move your cartoon character or Scarlet to the fruit. Okay, that is 3 steps away. So what I'm going to do is go to the south, and go to the south. Click on run as usual. Now this will execute your code. Okay, so this is real simple. Okay, next. Now what we are doing, actually we are giving some sequence of instruction to our character, right? But we are saying that use 2 more. What we want to do it, we want to move this character to this fruit. Okay, now turn towards let's say to south and towards the south, and let's run this one. See what happens. Oh no, see, so I have to give instructions so it can reach to this Scarlet. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to first of all turn toward the east. Okay, and then I need to say go east and go east. Okay, now let's run. See, so the sequence of your instruction should be correct. If you do not do that, your character will not up to the fruit. Okay, that is a really bad thing. So click on next to see the next level. Now here, okay, you can go to this fruit by choosing 2 routes. You can go to straight, then move toward the east and then take a step forward. Or you can turn to east and then take a step forward and then turn to south, take a step south. So what I'm going to do is go to the south, turn to east and then take a 1 step toward the east. Okay, so these will be the best way. And if you click the hint, what it says, do you want a hint? Really, I don't want a hint. If you want, you can click on yes. Okay, let's run this. See how easy it is. Now click on next to see next level. Now when you are giving instruction to the character, now what you can do, you can go forward, turn to east, take 2 steps, then turn to north, then move forward. This can be the way. Okay, or you can simply say turn north, take 1 step toward north, turn to east, take 2 steps towards the east. So in many ways you can reach to this fruit. What will be the shortest way to do it? Okay, turn toward the north, take 1 step toward the north and then turn toward the east and east, right? This will be the shortest in my opinion. You can try any other option, but I think it's fine for me. So I have turned towards the, oh no, See, I was a little bit in problem. So what I need to do is, let's turn toward the east, turn toward the north, take a step toward the north. Let's run this. Okay. See. Okay. So I have, being an adult and having 13 years of experience, I can commit a mistake. Okay. So don't worry if you commit a mistake. It's a human nature, and we always commit mistakes to learn. Okay. You will only get better when you commit mistakes. So don't worry about mistakes. You can do it. Okay. Now this video is all about debugging. Debugging means removing error from the program. Okay, just we have did in previous section. I have committed a mistake, then I found that I have given wrong instruction, and I have analyzed it, and I have written a correct code or modified the code so that I can reach to a certain point, right? You have to do the same. Okay, so you go ahead and watch this video, and when you finished, click on continue.
All computer scientists, no matter how experienced they are, run into errors that they need to fix. This is where debugging comes in. Debugging is just a word that means finding and fixing errors in a program, and the first step towards fixing errors is to find them. Most puzzles have a step button below the play space that you can use to hunt for problems. If your program doesn't work, press the step button and see what happens. Does the character take action in the right way? If everything looks good with the first block of code, press the step button again. How does everything look? Is it still running right? Keep going through your code line by line until you find the first place where things go wrong. What happened? What was supposed to happen? What does that tell you? In this puzzle, I get to the last line of code and don't reach the goal. What happened? I got to the end of my code without solving the puzzle. What was supposed to happen? I need to go forward one more step. What does that tell me? It tells me I need to drag out one more of these blocks and attach it to the end before I click run. Ta-da! That's how you debug a program.
So you need to watch previous video very carefully because it tells you debugging. I will ask questions about what is debugging, then you have to answer it. So debugging is the process of finding bugs and removing them from your code, right? So now in this way you can, how to use this step button. Okay, let's do this. Okay, toward the west, and toward the west. Okay, 3 times toward the west, it will reach up to here, and north. And then what I'm going to do is toward the west, right? So this is the piece of a code that is not right. I'm going to run this. So what it does, see, one, actually you can see the flow, and then see, okay, see what happened. So this instruction was wrong. Okay, so what you need to do is you can reset and take a step and watch whether my character is taking correct step or not and what is going wrong. Okay, so click on the step one more. Okay, so we are in this step. Now click on it. We are one step ahead and my character is taking a correct step. Okay, that's right. It is moving. It has moved to north and taken a step. What should I do here? Okay, I should be moving one step toward the north, but my character is going toward the west, right? So I need to remove this and need to move this. Okay, I have to reset it first and then I need to move it toward the north. Okay, now let's run this. See how easy it is. So you need to find error in your program by using a step-by-step executing your instruction. Okay, you have to analyze whether your character or your programming instruction is correct in each step and what is going wrong with the code, what should be done and what it is doing. If you are going to find that, then you can rectify code accordingly. Okay, or you can give instruction accordingly. So you have to finish up to chapter 5. Okay, we will meet tomorrow and we will complete lesson 6. If you have any problem, you can write comment or you can message me. Right? Goodbye. Thank you and hope you are going to enjoy this exercise. Thank you very much.